video we're gonna show you how to make delicious s'mores.
Mmm. Hi guys, welcome to RedWeston Bushcraft. I'm Simon.
I'm Ava.
And this is another episode of Back Garden Bushcraft.
In this episode we're going to need some marshmallows.
You're going to need some chocolate biscuits and you're going to need some skewers. Our grandma and granddad bought us these cool telescopic ones, which are fantastic for keeping his hands nice and safe. If you have anybody around your campfire who's vegetarian or for any religious reason can't eat meat, we've got Starburst. Starburst, in the UK at least, are vegetarian friendly. They don't contain any meat products. If, however, you're in mainland Europe or from the States, do check the packaging because I know some places still contain gelatin. Right. Shall we start the fire?
Yeah.
Right.
Stay too close, and when you want to sit near a fire, just sit right where me and Simon are sitting.
Absolutely.
Because you don't want to burn.
No, really don't want to burn, do it. So we like to keep ourselves at least arm's reach away from our fire. And when we're going to go close to our fire, we don't want to lean over it. So we're going to put one of our knees on the floor and step in front. So when we're by a campfire, we have one knee down and one foot in front. That way we're not leaning over, we're leaning backwards, aren't we? A traditional American s'mores is used with Hershey chocolate and graham crackers. Now, whether it's coincidence, design, or witchcraft, Hershey's chocolate breaks up to be exactly the same size as a graham cracker does. Unfortunately, we don't have either of the products in the UK, so the closest thing we have are chocolate digestive biscuits. So we have a chocolate digestive biscuit here. Now, we do have a couple of other things that we can use. I call these the deluxe s'mores. So we have the milk chocolate butter biscuits. A few of the things I found while we were shopping are these Milka chocolate biscuits. They look like pretty exciting. And for the wild card, we've got some chocolate malted milks. Now the texture on these is going to be completely different to the rest of them, but who knows, could be nice.
So all you do is get a marshmallow out of the bag, flip it on, down like that, and then all you do is pull it straight, and then put it over the fire.
Stick it on, we extend it. Now you want your marshmallow to roast, not burn. So you want to hold it near the flames, not over it. You will see it start to go slightly golden brown, it will start to swell up. And you just slowly rotate it. If your marshmallow does set on fire, just bring it to your mouth nice and gently and blow it out. So once your marshmallow's cooked, you get 2 chocolate biscuits, chocolate both on the inside, and we're just going to sandwich the marshmallow between them. Give it a squeeze and pull. I like to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now that is good to eat. Do you want to try it?
You're doing another one without me.
I'm doing this one's mine. One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It can be a little burning, but it's fine for us.
I'm very messy.
But delicious.
Oh, so the Milka biscuits come in individually foiled packs or 2 small packs. This is exciting. I wonder how big the biscuits are. Look at them.
They're huge.
They look amazing. This one's broken, so I'm gonna have to eat on its own. This could be a winner. Take your skewer. I'll take my skewer. There you go, that's your marshmallow. Avery's going to cook the Milka biscuit. Can you hold that? And I'm going to cook the malted milk biscuits. Can you hold yours next to mine? There you go, I think yours is ready now. So, this is the Milka versus the malted milk. We're going to take a first bite together. Don't you be cheeky.
And just why don't you keep on getting the...
So, you've got the malted milk, and I've got the Milka biscuit. So we're going to take a bite together and see which is the best. Oh my goodness. Mine's the best.
Mine is...
Mine's the best.
Menu.
If you want to bite of mine, I'll bite yours. Test each other's. Oh.
I'll both buy the...
Are both the best? Are these better than the brown chocolate digestives? Them ones or these ones? Yeah. So if you've got nothing else, use the digestives. If you can get other biscuits, both these are amazing. The butter biscuits, these things are amazing too. So, for anybody with any dietary requirements, any vegetarians, anyone on a halal or kosher diet, or anyone just really wants a tasty snack, roasted Starburst are fantastic. Right, now, I want you to hold it quite high up, and not let it get too hot. It does start getting melty quite quickly. So when you're cooking your Starburst, what you'll notice is quite quickly is the sweet actually starts to bubble. That's just the sugar caramelizing. It's not actually getting to a boiling temperature. Can you see all the bubbles? Now, careful of the metal backs, it's hot. See how soft and squidgy it is? Have a bite of that. How much more juicy is that? Well guys, that's all I've got time for today. If you did enjoy my video, give me a thumbs up. If you aren't a fan, give me a thumbs down if you want. For my latest video, hit up here somewhere. For some more great content down below. And if you would like to subscribe, hit the compass in the middle. And I'll see you in the next one.